a tape that's taped to it. It's very, very heavy duty. I guess I would use a knife instead of cutting it open. I'll see what's inside. So excited. It looks different than other people's unboxing. Oh, look at this. This makes a great gift, actually. The box is so heavy duty. And the box arrived with everything packaged for protection. And this is the steel tape. I've already cut a little slit on the bottom, and you'll see the actual product inside. Whoa, this is just beautiful. Comes with the booklet. And this is what it looks like. Wow, I picked 2 colors, and this is the smaller version because I want to know what they look like before I committed to any more container from this brand. And it feels very nice. It's heavy though. Oh, it took me a moment to unbuckle that. At first, I did not know what's underneath. They come with a strap, and then they buckle. Nice. We have everything you need. This will make a perfect gift for someone. Like, great size though. Even the smaller one doesn't look too small. They feel pretty secure, and I think this part is where you lift. Okay.